Hey guys, what's going on? Darren Addison at Torpedopot.com. Darren Addison, Torpedopot.com. We make self-growing planters that grow your food even in the wintertime. So, even though we're marching up to that deadline, we have the radish and we have some kale. And these are frost-tolerant plants that we like to use to eat off of during the winter season. These are smaller ones. We have bigger ones that are available. We just wanted to show you these because these are so beautiful. So they'll grow to try to maximize their size for the planter at their end, but aren't they just beautiful? That is just absolutely stunning. These are self-growing planters, and what they do is that they grow your food for you with no human intervention. All you do is throw your seeds and your plants in, and it grows your food for you. So much so that we're seeing the same signs in every planter. Every planter is showing signs of life. And not just radish and kale, but we're growing carrots. And so we eat the carrot tops. We love the carrot tops, baby, to get carrot tops off of it. And we're growing other plants also. So these are self-growing planters, guys. All you do is put your seeds and plants in this planter and you walk away. We supplement maybe once a week or once every 10 days, but that's it. You do nothing else. And it grows your food for you. Amazing, isn't it? Yes, that's what they do. So we got a lot of these planters now. We're about to start off our October, November, still growing season. Now, the reason why we're so effective at growing during October and December is because either these plants will remain until the beginning of next year, or either they'll start to grow because of the fluctuations in seasons. So the fluctuations in seasons alone will be able to protect my... You see these being able to protect my plants? And see how they're still growing? So that's what we want you to do. We want you to use nature around you to be able to grow your plants. But no, we're growing hundreds of plants in torpedo pots. Darren Addison, torpedopot.com. Darren Addison, torpedopot.com.